evening to all. Today we shall see three environmental issues and the ways to overcome it. They are rehabilitation, resettlement and water conservation. Rehabilitation is one of the most serious problems caused by the developmental activities. It is shortly described as replacements of human occupations for constructions. Although it has positive effects like safeguard employments, provides safe land for building, repair damaged infrastructure, it also has negative effects. Land Acquisition Act established in 1897 provides cash compensations for the land vacated. Rehabilitation issues. When tribal peoples are rehabilitated, it increases their poverty due to loss of land, home, job, food security. They often find it difficult to adjust with their new living condition. Most of the cultural activities are very closely associated to their habitat. Marriages, social and cultural function, their folk songs, dances and activities suffer with their displacements. Tribals are not familiar with the current market policies and trends. They are literate and are exploited and fooled easily. Resettlement also affects the people who have been living in that area which was selected for resettlement. Cultural diversity, religious practices, food habits, etc. can result in conflict. Both communities can fight over natural resources. Rehabilitation policy. Certain steps should be satisfied when rehabilitation takes place. Extent of damage should be studied. People should be rehabilitated on minimum dislocation basis. Rehabilitation should create a balanced development. Resettlement. It is a relocation or displacements of human population. Native peoples are major sufferers. It leads to over-exploitations of natural resources. Causes of resettlements. In our country, number of big and medium dams have been constructed under different valley projects. The most important social consequences was the displacements of millions of tribals from their homeland to urban areas as refuges. For example, is Hirahun Dam. It has displaced more than 20,000 people residing in about 250 villages. Another example is Tedi Dam. It has displaced more than 10,000 residents of Tedi town. Resettlement also occurs due to disasters and conservation initiatives. Let's move on to the next issues. The principal sources of fresh water is rain and is considered to be the purest form. The other sources of water is river, stream, lake, pond and also ocean. Since the water is the most important component to human survival and also other commercial agriculture activities, it is essential to conserve the water resources. Reasons to conserve the water. For better lifestyles and agricultural activities needs more fresh water. Deforestation leads to water scarcity. When population increases, the demands for water increases. Rainwater harvesting. It is a storage of water from open grounds, rooftop, park, roads for later use. Concept of rainwater harvesting. The rainwater harvesting involves collecting the water that falls on the roof of house during the rainstorm and conveying it through PVC or aluminum pipe to nearby covered storage units. The rainwater yield varies with size and texture of the catchment area. A smoother, cleaner and more impervious roofing the natural material contribute to better water quality and greater quantity. Uses of rainwater harvesting. Main uses of the rainwater harvesting is increases the groundwater level, reduce the soil erosion and stormwater, a runoff the increases hydrostatic pressure to stop the land subsidence and to minimize the water crisis. Watershed management. The watershed is not a technology but a concept which integrates constructions management and budgeting of rainwater through simple but discrete hydrological units. Watershed is the land area from which water drains under the influence of gravity into a stream, lake, reservoir or other body of the surface water. Watershed managements of rainfall and resultant runoff is called watershed managements. It also involves conservation, regeneration and proper use of water. Thank you.